You lost your job. Your business failed. You're watching doors slam shut one after another. But here's what you need to remember. Allah can open a door where you never saw a wall.
وَمَن يَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ فَهُوَ حَسْبُهُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ بَالِغُ أَمْرِهِ قَدْ جَعَلَ اللَّهُ لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدْرًا.
And whoever puts their trust in Allah, He is sufficient for them. Indeed, Allah will accomplish His purpose. Allah has set a measure for everything. Life hits hard. Sometimes you feel like everything is falling apart. You question, where will the next paycheck come from? How will I survive this? But in Surah At-Talaq, Allah gives a powerful promise. Whoever puts their trust in Allah, He will be enough for them. This means, you don't need to see the way, you just need to trust the one who makes a way. He can send help from sources you never imagined. He can provide without reason, without explanation, without logic. Your job is to have tawakkul, complete trust. His job is to be al-wakil, the best disposer of affairs. When you truly lean on Him, even the closed doors become blessings in disguise. Comment, Allah is enough for me. Save this reminder for the tough days. Follow for daily Quranic inspiration and peace.